All right. Good morning, everyone. It is 8:32 in the morning of October 13th, 2022, and this is my pre-market strategy session. At 8:30, the CPI data just came out, and inflation increased 0.4% in September, more than expected despite rate hikes. Now, I don't have the year-over-year number, but I'm guessing that's going to come out north of 8.2%. Which certainly in the pre-market has, in the pre-market, the Qs are down 2.6%, roughly 2.5% in the pre-market. And hot CPI equals hawkish Fed on rate hikes, which equals less liquidity, which equals less money going into the stock market. Valuations need to come down. We're right on the precipice of earnings season, which is forecast to be disappointing, and forward guidance is forecast to come down on a lot of these companies in the indices like the S&P and the NASDAQ. So it's definitely bearish. And what I thought was going to happen, which was a run up into earnings season, is not happening. It's tanking here before it hits earnings season. So bearish is the direction to be in, and that's pretty much it. I mean, here, let's see. We have the 10-year, 2-year spread is coming down a bit. It's increased 16.84%. The drop down has here day over day. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Take a look at Bitcoin here real quick and see what Bitcoin's doing. Yeah, so Bitcoin has started its next leg down. I imagine when we come back in onto this chart, say in about 2 or 3 weeks, we ought to be testing this 13,000 mark. Right now it's at 18,000. It's possible it could extend out here. Let me do this. It could extend out to February of 2023 for Bitcoin to be all the way down to the 13,000 mark. But I think it'll probably happen a little bit sooner. The general direction is in the sort of down direction here for Bitcoin. It's going to be that way for the foreseeable future. I definitely, put somewhere this trend is definitely going to continue for about another year until things start to turn around and people are willing to take risk again on risk assets. So definitely a bearish day. All right, everybody. Oh, hang on a second.